it is time for another Petit Vour unboxing. Unfortunately, this little guy was left out in the rain this morning, so it's a little wet, but we're still gonna make it work. As per usual, if you guys have not watched this series, I'm going to talk about last month's box, what I like, what I didn't like, and then we're going to unbox this month's box, and we're going to talk prices after that and see what our value is. All right, so last month's box, first we're going to do the Mad Hippie, is it Mad Hippie vitamin C serum? It worked fine. I don't know, like, I didn't dislike it. I enjoyed the viscosity. I put it on at night before bed. I think that it is a really good serum, but like it didn't make me feel any different. I guess it did make my skin feel a little tight, but I liked it. If I was in the market for a vitamin C serum, I would get it again. My only gripe is that they changed the packaging. I liked how colorful and cute it looked, but apparently they don't have it like that anymore. It looks more like mainstream, modern-ish, more clean beauty looking. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's like, okay, fine, like that's not what I'm in there for. Like, I just like if the product's good, but I did like the coloring and I liked the packaging, but they did change it. The turmeric mask by I think it's Dr. Botanicals. I didn't really care for it. Like, it didn't make me feel any different. It didn't make my skin feel any different. Like, at least after I do like most face masks, it makes my skin feel different after, like either moisturized or something. It was fine. I didn't really like it or dislike it. It was just fine. I probably would not buy that again. The vitamin C serum I might buy again if I needed that, but I probably wouldn't buy that mask again. It's not my favorite. The Belle Pierre blush. Now this one was surprising, guys. I actually really liked this one. And I'm not a blush girl. I normally don't wear blush, but I wore it pretty much every single day. I liked the really, really pigmented one, the one that was more reddish in it. I just, brushed a little bit on and it looked great all day. I was like, okay, I can get down with this. Because normally I just do a little bit of highlighter, but the blush and then the highlighter combo actually looked really good on me. So I would say this might be the blush for me. I liked it a lot. Now, my only thing is I don't need all those other ones. I just like that one. So if I could get it in just that color, which maybe I will look into seeing if I can, then I would do it. But as it stands, if I have to buy the whole palette, I'm probably not going to do that because that's a lot of waste. It's a lot of waste just for the one that I would use. And then the one that is clearly the winner, the Talk Beauty mascara. That, like, I'm wearing that right now. You guys can't tell. Look how voluminous my eyelashes look. But no, the Talk Beauty mascara was great. It is probably my new favorite mascara. It really is nice, and it's great if you build or don't build. Honestly, I didn't need much, like only a few strokes, and then it was good to go. The only problem with the Talk Beauty mascara is that it doesn't dry super quickly. So every time I would put it on, it would smudge within the first, 30 seconds to a minute before it dried. So I had to be very careful when applying it to my lower lash. But I would definitely buy that one again. It was my favorite product in last month's box, and honestly, it might be my favorite product of the year so far because it is my favorite one. And I was in the market looking for a better mascara because I've been just swapping mascaras constantly. Like, I don't know which one I like. I buy a new one to try. It's fine, but it's not like the best. This one ticked the boxes for me. I didn't have to apply a whole bunch of it. It looked really good right out the gate. My only gripe, I said, was the smudging. But after it dried, it lasted all day. I didn't have any smudging. I don't think it was waterproof, but so at the end of the night when I go to wash my makeup off, it was still like pretty easy to get off and everything. But yeah, the Talk Beauty mascara is a winner. Now let's unbox our box. Okay, you guys all have to bear with me. This is like a mess. So I just went ahead and took all of it out since it's all wet. This is that. Happy Mail Day. It's a little soggy, but it's fine. So these are our products. We're going to start with this one. The Belle Pierre Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder. Okay. Like I said, Belpierre has been a hit or miss for me. The primer works well. Didn't like the smell. Really liked the blush. So I'm curious to see how this will work. I'm very particular about my powder though, guys. My finishing powder, I'm very particular. So we shall see how that goes. Actually, yeah, I wanted to open this up. So, okay, it's got like a little thing. I don't use these. The one in my Physicians Formula I use because it's more like a poof and not whatever this is. Because I just don't like the way these feel on my skin, if I'm being honest. But yeah, that's cool. It's nice because some people don't have makeup brushes and stuff, so it's nice that it has it all in one. So we have another eye cream. Oh yay, you guys know how I love my eye creams. But this is from Mad Hippie. Cute packaging, like I like. But it is an eye cream with 7 actives with peptides, niacinamide, and licorice. Let's open it up. All right, and that is what it looks like. Typical eye cream packaging. Okay. All right. Bioresin sugarcane tube. Now that's cool. Moving on. Oh no. Antonym. Noir by Antonym. So this is an eyeliner. I've actually tried one of Antonym's eyeliners before. This is a pencil. So it has a built-in sharpener in the top. At least this one is noir, so it's black. The one I've tried before was like a silvery, I want to say like a silver gray. You guys can't even see that. Can you? Come on, focus. There we go. So this one is black. The one I've tried before is like a silvery gray, which I did not care for. But another thing is I use like exclusively liquid eyeliner now. This might have been something I got back in the day when I was younger and I just didn't use liquid eyeliner, but I'm gonna have to give this a try because for science. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of pencils anymore. All right, and then we have the Eye of Horus, which is another mascara I'm very excited about. Okay. Interesting. I like that. Like, all of these things should just be labeled cruelty-free and vegan. I shouldn't have to worry. But let's open it up. Whoa, look at this. Now, that is a nice-looking bottle, guys. It looks really good. It's got, like, a little angle to it. All right, so this is the kind of brush we're working with here. Get out of the way. Sorry. But, yeah, that's the kind of brush we're working with. It's a very curvy brush. Interesting. So I'm excited actually that we get another mascara 2 months in a row because like I said, I'm always on the hunt for new mascara. Even though the last month is going to be hard to beat, this one might be even better. So we'll have to give it a try. All right, so that was our exciting box this month. A lot of interesting products. And my fear was it wasn't going to be as good of a value. They raised the price on the box. But all things considered, almost every single one of these items is at least $20. So the powder I found for about $24 on Amazon. The eye cream, and so the powder was the Belpierre HD finishing powder. Let me say that. The Mad Hippie eye cream was about $27, and I found that on their site. The Antonym eye pencil in Noir was $19. And the mascara, the Eye of Horus, was almost the most expensive. I would say the cream and the mascara are about the same price. So it's $27 for the mascara. So gives our grand total, our value today, $97. That's a pretty good deal, I must say, for how much I paid for this box. So I'm really excited to give these products a try. And then, as always, next month, when we get our next box, I will talk about what I thought about these products, what I liked, what I didn't like, and if I would buy them again. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye!